Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with expired milk. First, it's crucial to understand safety. You can only use milk that has just passed its expiration date if it still smells and looks perfectly fine. Any off smell, discoloration, or lumpy texture means it's unsafe and should be discarded. We'll heat the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit to kill any potential harmful bacteria, making it safe for consumption. Once you've confirmed your milk is safe, pour 1 liter into a saucepan. Heat it slowly to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. This pasteurization step is vital. After reaching temperature, remove it from the heat and let it cool down. You'll need to bring the temperature down to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. A good thermometer is essential here for accuracy. Now it's time to introduce your starter culture. Once the milk is at the correct temperature, whisk in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt that contains live active cultures. Make sure your starter yogurt is at room temperature to avoid shocking the milk. Mix it thoroughly until fully combined. Then, carefully pour the mixture into clean jars and cover them tightly, preparing for incubation. The final step is incubation. Place your covered jars in a warm spot, maintaining a temperature between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 10 hours. A longer incubation period will result in a tangier and thicker yogurt. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Once incubated, refrigerate your homemade yogurt for at least 4 hours to chill and set before enjoying your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.